This could be the car for you. The 2010 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a plush and practical Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon, equipped with a suite of features to prioritize safety, all-weather capability, and comfort. This family-friendly vehicle brings confidence and elegance to every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You don't have to sacrifice luxury to get practicality. This elegant E-Class wagon offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.